Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the SEALANA token. Now the SEALANA token is live for pre-sale right now on their webpage. It's an initial coin offering, an ICO. Ticker symbol is SEAL. And this token, a lot of these ICOs can be pretty sketchy. There's always conflicting comments on whenever I talk about an ICO. Some say it's a scam, some say it's not. But basically, in this video, we're going to be looking at the information on this token. We're going to check for audits. We're going to see if there's any potential risks involved with this token, any red flags, things like that. And we're going to do all of that in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you've probably, if you're clicking on this video and you're not a subscriber, you probably saw this token advertised in some sort of banner ad on a crypto listing webpage. They're doing like a really good job marketing, because basically every day where I go to make a video on some sort of token and I'm on some sort of webpage, this token will pop up and it'll be advertised in some form or another. Now, just be aware, I did see this token listed on Coin Sniper, I believe, and there was another token also. Actually, I can't see it on Coin Sniper right now. Maybe Coin Sniper took it off of there or something. I don't know. I thought it was on Coin Sniper, but anyways, it was on Coin Sniper. One of these listing web pages. I did see it on there, but then I also saw another token with almost an identical name. So just be aware of that. I did see another pre-sale called SEALANA, and there was the ticker symbol was SEALA, so SEALA. So it was very similar ticker symbols, so do not get confused with these kind of like I don't know if they're copying, but copycat type of tokens. Similar name, it's only one letter off. So just be aware of that. There is tokens with similar names. They're both on the Solana blockchain, both for pre-sale, and the only difference was one A in the ticker symbol. So this ticker symbol in the title, you'll see it, is just SEAL for this one right here. Their webpage is SEALANA.io. And I also remember doing a video maybe about a month or so ago on a token that was just called SEAL on the Solana blockchain. It was not called SEALANA. So there's many SEAL tokens on the Solana blockchain. So just be aware of that right off the bat. Now, if you go to their webpage, SEALANA.io, you go /EN for English, or you could just change the language once you get to the page. There's a Twitter and Telegram in the corner of the screen up there. Now, their Telegram is at SEALANA_token, 2,255 subscribers. It says, flop into the Solana Sea with SEALANA. All sorts of alliteration tongue twisters over here. Send Sol, fasten him up, and wait till he whales SEAL in your wallet. You can preview the Telegram channel before joining, but that's a great place to see announcements regarding the project. Now, on their webpage, they do have a how to buy section, in case you don't understand how to get the token. But it basically says 1 SOL equals 6,900 SEAL. Currently, they've raised 4,320 $432,000 worth of tokens. So they're doing very well. And a lot of their banners say like, we sold out $100,000 worth of tokens in this many minutes or whatever. So that's where I saw it. And then it says you could also send your SOL, and then it has the contract address, and it says from a decentralized wallet, like a Trust wallet, Soulflare wallet, Phantom wallet. Basically, you connect your wallet or send it to there. There's a buy now button. It's pretty straightforward. It'll show you how many SEAL tokens you get for how much SOL you want to spend. It says, meet SEALANA, the chubby SEAL who's taken a deep dive into the Solana sea. Wailed at his PC and growing by the day, SEALANA is so absorbed in the degen market that he's abandoned the gorgeous figure of his youth for a trader's diet of chips and tinned tuna. His obsession with finding the next big Solana meme coin keeps his flippers busy and his living room a big fat mess. And then it shows how to buy. It's got the whole section of how to buy, real straightforward. Through this widget, connect your wallet or dedicated buy widget to the SEAL token using SOL. Through SOL transfer, you can directly send your SOL from the DEX wallet to this address. And yeah, so that's basically all the information on their webpage. Now, if you go to their Twitter, which is right in the corner of the screen right there, at SEALANA_token, it's got the contract address right there, a link to their webpage. They just joined in April 2024, 1,830 followers. And then there's a pinned tweet from May 9th. So it says, we heard, okay, so this is important right here. We heard some of you are having some troubles buying SEAL. So already people are having troubles. Now it could be user error, but let's see what they say here. So to make it easier for some of you people, we're making SEAL multi-chain, allowing you to buy on Ethereum. So grab a cold one, sit down, and we'll tell you how to fill your truck with SEAL. So now they're saying you can also buy the token with Ethereum, and they have a whole section here in their pinned tweet about how to do that. Now it says, remember, don't let those no-good scammers get to you. SEAL is a pre-sale token, and it will be airdropped or claimable after the pre-sale wraps up. Keep your eyes peeled. Airdrop dates and updates will be announced only on SEALANA.io and through our official social channels. So then there's some underneath. There's a person here tweeting out. So there's replies basically under that pinned tweet, May 9th. So this person, Snow Bear, says, bought some a few days ago, still haven't received anything. Well, I mean, obviously they're saying that'll be airdropped and claimable after the presale, so that's why that person hasn't received anything. But didn't receive my tokens. Another one, they didn't mention that once you buy it, you need to claim them in some sort of scam site. Avoid this. So there's all sorts of negative tweets. There's also some good tweets. You never know if the good tweets are basically, scam tweet. I mean, like bots. You have no idea. So keep in mind, good tweets may be fake tweets. Now, if we scroll down, there's only 6 tweets. So they're not very active on their Twitter. Only 6 tweets, and this pre-sale has been going on for a while here. So you scroll down through the tweets. I'm scrolling down, lots of memes, and that's it. So as I reviewed their whole Twitter, their whole webpage, basically all the info, I haven't reviewed the Telegram, but I'm not going to join that. But there's basically no audit, no quick audit, no team docs, no KYC, no Seifu badge, no security on this token whatsoever. So if you're looking to check to see, oh, is this a scam or is this not a scam? Guess what? You can't even check that because there's no possible way to check any audit because there is no audit that you can find anywhere. So there is basically all the red flags for this pre-sale. Just be aware of that. You can't even check to see if there's red flags. So just assume that there could be every red flag in the book because you cannot even verify if there is any. I don't know how else to say it, but just, take this token with 100 grains of salt. I'm not saying it is a scam. I'm not saying it isn't a scam. I'm just saying there is a ton of risk with this pre-sale here. So just totally be aware of that. They've almost sold $500,000 worth of tokens so far. But yeah, go check it out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.